During each module of the course, it is recommended for you to practice the key elements covered in the online sessions. So for each module, you will be given assignments to undertake during your daily life. If you don't complete an assignment, please be gentle with yourself. Not judging yourself harshly, but bringing a gentle inquisitiveness to the situation. Asking yourself what got in the way, and how might you make it possible to do it another day. Your assignments for this module and week ahead are: 1. Stress awareness. During the week, be aware of your reactions to stress, without trying to change them. Notice if you are blocking, freezing, or shutting off, from the moment when it happens, or if you have the urge to rush in and fix things. Notice how that feels in your body. 2. Sitting meditation. Try to practice the sitting meditation each day with the guided session. 3. Breathing space. Try to practice the 3-step breathing space at times you have decided in advance. Take a moment now to decide which times of the day you will practice. Pause this session now to spend time deciding on your times of day. Please note that the assignments you've been set for this module replace the ones you were set previously. There's still quite a lot of practice to do, so please remember to be gentle with yourself. Here we recommend you spend 3 days away from the online sessions, so that you can practice your assignments. Come back again in 3 days, to continue with the online sessions. In the next session, you will be developing your awareness of thought patterns, especially negative thoughts. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.